Here we have a Campbell Hallsfield 60-gallon vertical compressor, and the motor in the back right here, the casing, just this plate here, it's cracked all around here. Amazingly enough, it still operates. Also, the oil filler cap was broken off, so we just replaced it with this temporary cap right here. We're going to leave that on there because there is oil in there. It'll splash out. Also, the air filter right here is missing. Okay, and then you can see this took a hit right here. Well, when it hit the motor, and it bent the bracket here. The unit still operates. We're going to fire it up to show you that it does operate. So, and we took the switch cap off here. So. So the pump does operate very well. Does pump air. You're probably going to need to replace that motor, or just the end cap around the motor. You might be able to order that from Marathon. Other than that, it's in pretty good condition. Has a couple little paint scuffs on the tank. Nothing major. No damage to the tank. And we thank you for looking at our product.